Yeah. Babe. What's up? Everything okay?
But anyama the way as my life we see you. Sweet as some mama many and yet dear. Anyama be from say. I'm telling you. Send me man can't seem no man than your bar. I'm a many and yet dear. Me di me sabegumiti. And I mean person me yet to say me who young kanaka each. Can you imagine say me call virus one? Me what I say now, me virus me my trying to call on friend and me friend one picking no. Virus a sarcophane year no. Hey.
How?
Ready?
Dabio, what's the name? Virus a sarcophane year no.
Virus a sarcophane wife for na betty nephew ho. Na me One to tune some virus assume say Jai Beyonce coffane or you Jai Beyonce coffin. Hey, virus me man won't know. If you say I'm no so, and I me Jai my wife, and a honor so how bomb. It's me virus no. Me fan a hon channel neck, and I made the natural china. Send me sin the soa, sin the soa, sin the swan, send me sin the soa.
Madam, I know yes, sir, you're wrong. Because, oh no, that's the one I don't watch a share no. Oh sorry, I'm my bestie, and I'm my bestie. Virus nani being a no catch us open. Say you no one being a no catch us open.
Mammy tea, adding any so just out now, my catch us open one son what yes.
And until I hear bread.
Now I'm a pen, one can't on pen and one can't so on.
Now why never reject say?
And see, ya can't booma, ya have a contact in every year. That's why my men who saw no you reject. Miss Minnie, my husband, a child. It's a woman, a bomb, my hammer, and a bomb you. Me allow virus, my name called that. A year so we will catch a man, and just so I will name be out. Men shan't that. Men,
I see I won't child, no bear like I don't obey any drana, okay, and as obey anything.
Sir. A year so a baby on my bunch because one I'm also one I wouldn't dear warrior yes because me the mass and bar now the miatua send me an near dinner may come coming home for Sobia also me who say corno and could baby and some catch will say me my virus on call me my tips in call me Beyonce me obey a son one show me now how and you know me and to make your decision ye me decision is so well lose your immune. My decision is say me my virus on. Oh my trust me, I will do it. Bet me. Oh, bet me.
What were you telling me on the phone?
Yeah, I finally went to my husband's house and as we're having a good conversation and everything, boom, there comes my rival, Beyonce, my husband's bestie, turned girlfriend.
You still call her as bestie? Or your rival? What is wrong with you? I didn't know how, I didn't know how.
Ella, Minyedeng. Here is the lady I will see because of Mimi husband. Because of Mimi husband, why giant you eh, banning you no only best friend. I am Mimi, so Mimi and the best friend. They trim pad and then any ambre. Penny or no, it's because of my husband or giant you so penny mammy. Car, and yes, I'm get wow. Ella, you know about what's seen in Bosada. Seriously, say it's because of you I quit my marriage. Hey, and yes, I'm kids wow. What's it because of Berman? It's not no coach in you. Berman no catch and say you know my husband.
These are words, so what are you going to do about it?
Sweetheart, again I met my.
You don't have to do anything.
So like you are asking, and then I met my. I can't do anything. Ella, I think I'm getting tired of all these things. Like I'm tired, you know. I have fought enough. Like I'm. Oh God.
Sugar, what are you saying? You are tired and you want to end your marriage. Are you serious?
Sweetheart, what haven't I done? Sugar,
even I wish I'm in your shoes. I wish. Me worry you. So you say me worry. They be a more good advice. You don't have to let your husband go. This is the time you have to stand for him. Be on your feet. Thank God say we kwada enye so na ko edroso. Eje one na woman kwan beda ho na asem we buy. It is how space now and you have to fix it. Try not fix this space, you know. Close it.
Ella, see how furious I am. Look at the way I'm sweating over all
you
these things.
sweat.
I have done enough.
My dear, you've
every
not done
advice
anything.
you gave me, I put it into practice and working on it. Everything is fine now. Like, I thought everything was fine. Until I went to that house, only for her to come in and tell me to claim the guy that it was because of him that Onini's new husband died. So she's not leaving, excuse me. What do you want me to do?
You don't have to do it, just be with your husband. Sugar, I won't advise you to go and break up with your husband now.
Is my husband ready to have me?
Yes! Can't you see?
It's
your fault.
I can't try to say on call.
Sugar.
Me enough. It's my fault. Then I'm here. It is an suspect to send me husband or a friend is a girlfriend. I send only girlfriend. And can get away with my bed.
Sugar.
Or is it because I packed out?
Sugar.
I won't find maybe a friend is me my warrior son from Bafi.
Sugar. What does it say? Mema who a dimpa. Wouldn't say no benya bema ba come catch us say a rame pe no. Now one can say what's happened at your bread or redeem. Do you know that? Sugar,
Ella, it's been like
be
this.
wise.
It's been like this. And now Mema when you're dinner then only in Ghana.
Oh,
I'm telling you.
Really?
Only in Ghana.
And that's our culture. That is it.
Mema when you're dinner, Ben Ukunu dear, our retired dear, you know you'll be there and you'll be fucking dead. You understand?
Yeah.
And then I mean yes to say Ella.
Just calm
then
down.
I mean
just calm down.
Then
everything is going to be alright. Just relax.
I mean poison girl Mongu and
hell no.
So what should I do?
Who's there? Come in.
Oh, okay.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. Come in.
Oh, okay. I told you the avocado.
Now what's your?
I'm not doing the avocado. But I remember how you said my fellow meeting because when you say, one half a baby at you.
Anyway, Mama will see you.
Oh, maybe okay. Maybe okay. And the ten said, I suddenly buy and me sure so I catch him. There's no way say or 7 hours call back class and me baby treat you. Some man idea. Until my corner one man try 7 pound job but I wouldn't want to for lifestyle. Me corner one more like the way we see true me I will see any man. Haji. And so what I remember being now in Nakasa. Be default. Me panic. So person me bunko to be enough from teach am so crana. I'm ready to do whatever for her. Because a sign.
Virus. Once my ID. Cause the best Adam for catching the beer, my catcher.
I know.
My tune for my baby beer, must say no. Me, I'm doing some camote. The beer, you okay, my brother, so share. Why? Virus, I don't know, yes, sir.
I know, because I'm not
It's too much, Virus. It's too much.
Some simbi na baby rain say, meaning say, someone say, I'm not tormenting my brabo. Me jai. Say, come in, me that's so few, I mean, because you can remember if you want. And it's a mini sugar cassa, I'll be if you want more. I'll be doing
it's too much, because who to a craft for now to a jam waffle. So too hopeful, because Nipa said the messing in a cassette is a what's here, and oh, yeah, more yes, a baby, okay, and a baby, a sad boom. I don't know, so check yourself very well, because it's too much. Well, it's too much. Put yourself in their shoes sometimes. I told you they make papa too, so I make a choice. Work on yourself. It's not gonna
happen again. Girl, no cry like me just blocking a baby.
And tonight, I'm casting and couldn't could be no,
like me pretend then find true.
Because I don't get it sometimes. A old phone so one can be anxious girl now. No, quite to be better no was so the bell fee without even calling you or informing you.
I know.
It's out. It's getting out of hand. Seriously.
I know. One frame me who has a boy around.
Just look at that.
On a sugar bear to so. Sugar so I never quite ya na hands or pet me pakia come pakia kodo.
And yes, sir, because I pains no go through me into ya. Yes, I will be a washada. Into work on that girl, please. So bet you not to crash in the tomb.
But so hold on. Hello? Yeah, Mason Junior. I saw you in Yamana Mebo, bongo show. What's the Samini see when you have bongo me? Okay, but my here are Samini contact now. For WhatsApp and I'm friends is here, why? Okay, what? Samini so have a pass on me. Okobushu is in the search and time of a in the machine that you man.
I say, more of our songs any day. I don't have any choice.
Pressure that is made to quite with him.
No, but I work first. But I will talk to you. Hey, I will talk to her.
But your man fraud that
you, I'll call you. I'll talk to you.
Maybe I now ref.
Oh, please. She's my friend. I'll talk to her. Because it's too much. Pain is not go through me. It's not easy. No, try. For nice for we are Bema. For nice for.
So I'm friend.
Sugar, let it go. Please. O husband ankasa enati ba fiase. O who said oh yeah and I said you see him. He's at fault. Please. What channel? We only need to kosi dabe.
Girlfriend. And yes sir, if like the worker can maintain you. Who said the customer? I said, what taking me for granted. When you see what I'm telling me, these little things that I didn't understand. I also mommy who you my coso, and I'm the parking out. Yama be power cho. When they were open at your name, my brother from me colleague at work. Qua friend anymore. Ya try sir. This is the time, my bathroom. Now, who's my bathroom? Now I say I also or ye maybe na me so hame. Lady also your best friend. My wife is back. Stay away from me. And also into me now. To the extent of girl need to me and say, and I'm also like think of it.
And these are all part of marriage and those things. Arabone kahubi. Only can say for better for worse. Now can say dear Sema. Situation be so only near them.
Onim sir.
Yeah, he knows.
Onim sir. And I pack it out kakra from few days in a few weeks no. Otimi kofa na ene na down for yes
and
me kofa guy.
Phobia, but please.
Oh no who say me cheat say me pack it out and me cheat say ya. Ah unja me cra obepini.
And who now your bad?
Girlfriend.
Just calm down.
That this thing that you are now your bad. People should stop this. Girlfriend,
you have to tolerate anything. Tolerate it, please. Say do say you do adeni nyine so.
Even when you are dying inside,
of
you
course.
have to die because you are married.
Yes. Please. What did you try to say? You know beti mi aye. Be ma for na be jana kwakofa no. He might be worse. Eh?
I'm
Sugar,
not happy.
please.
I'm really not happy.
Calm down, Sugar. I'm pleading, please.
No,
Sugar,
for how
please.
long are we going to drag these issues, girlfriend issues, side chick issues? For how long? For how long?
Sugar, let it go. Let it go. Go back to your husband, please. And stop packing your things. Seconds, we are now moving out. Now packing your man.
So only your man right, then I will stay. Now say any man we come in. Say me to.
And yes, she ignore
now say any man we
everything.
come. I come anyway. Or what catch him some in feel. I don't even come there. The first that me step in there. Now your friend is saying
Why? So any be any, and social na a wabra boom.
For how long are we going to be there and this girl will just bounce into the house, be shouting and be doing all these things?
You should know, sir, or no, so no more him sometimes. Into so she too, she will not let it go just like that. So you have to calm down. You have to be the fool. Please, be the fool.